Earlier this week, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, changed its guidelines on masking. CDC now says that it is safe to go outside without a mask if you are fully vaccinated, unless you are in a crowd.
Masks no longer needed for walking, running, biking, and gathering outdoors in small groups with vaccinated people. The decision perhaps less about masks and more about the robust effectiveness of vaccines, now in the arms of close to 142 million Americans and nudging us toward normalcy.
The CDC's About Face changes daily life for all Americans, especially those fully vaccinated, releasing this new chart updating guidelines on face masks outdoors. The agency now says whether you're vaccinated or not, it's safe to walk down the street, go for a run or a bike ride without a face covering. You also won't need one to attend a small outdoor gathering like a barbecue if everyone else is vaccinated.
If you are vaccinated, it is safe to be outdoors without a mask. And the more and more people who get vaccinated, the more you'll have more people who are safer without masks.
For those who are fully vaccinated, the new outdoor guidelines extend further. The CDC also saying it's safe to gather outside in a small group, whether others are vaccinated or not. Also, given the all clear, dining outside at a restaurant with friends from multiple households. And though the agency says the vaccinated should still wear a mask at large outdoor gatherings like a baseball game or a concert, the risk is low. While there were fewer changes for the unvaccinated, the CDC says all Americans still need to wear a mask indoors. No changes for anyone at grocery stores, malls, churches, or gyms.
We know that the virus spreads very well indoors. Until more people are vaccinated, mask use indoors will provide extra protection.
For over a year, face masks have been a divisive issue, but now the CDC says less than 10% of documented COVID cases occurred outdoors.
1, 2, 3.
With 37% of all adults fully vaccinated, the CDC hopes the new guidelines encourage more people to get their shots. Rolling back restrictions even further could continue if vaccinations climb and new COVID cases drop. For all Americans, a much-needed breath of fresh air as our nation comes closer to life as it used to be.
The CDC has also published new guidelines for camping, especially for kids, as we approach the summer season.
With summer almost here, time for some happy campers. The CDC recommends camps emphasize outdoor activities, social distancing, and vaccines for staff and campers. Since many kids can't get a shot yet, masks are recommended, even outdoors.
We're seeing obesity cases rising, we're seeing mental health issues rising, and we are very hopeful that camp can really be the antidote.
Woodmont Day Camp in New York operated last summer with 0 COVID cases.
We had no pink eye, we had no lice, we had no strep throat. Kids were outside, they were spread out.
They'll also continue daily temperature checks and symptom questionnaires. And per CDC guidance, all activities, including meals and arts and crafts, will be outside. To stop the spread of an outbreak, campers will be assigned to a pod. So while one pod is here at the Eagle's Nest, another pod can be here 30 yards away on the climbing wall, or out here fishing with their pod at the lake. For kids who ride the bus, the policy will be masks on and windows open.
This is an indication that things are heading in the right direction. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and of each other. God bless you.